In this video, you will learn how to purchase QuickBooks Online. Purchasing QuickBooks Online is easy and straightforward. Follow these simple steps. Search for QuickBooks on either Chrome or Safari. Then, click on the QuickBooks link. After that, sign up or log in using your credentials. Then, QuickBooks offers plans. Choose one of the plans, such as Simple Start, Essential, Plus or Advanced. Then, once you are there, click Buy Now or Start Free Trial. If you are a new user, sign up. After that, choose a payment method. You'll be asked to provide a billing information such as your name, address and payment details. QuickBooks accepts various payment methods such as debit card, credit card and PayPal. Enter your payment details such as Visa or MasterCard to complete the transaction. Review your order to ensure everything looks correct. After that, start your QuickBooks Online subscription. You have immediately access to QuickBooks Online. You'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard, where you can start and set up your account, entering your business information and customizing your settings. QuickBooks Online offers a free 7-day free trial for all new users, especially for higher tier plans. So make sure to use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.